Hi guys, welcome back to one of my videos. Today I shall be playing with all of my Fidget toys. So I'm probably just gonna, so I've got quite a lot. I'm probably gonna do a part 2 on this. Like maybe soon. I'm probably just gonna do a part 2 on this. The part 2. I like doing part 2s. Anyway. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Okay, good. So basically, before we get started in this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Please. Thank you. I'm just hitting the buttons. Thank you. Anyway, let's just okay, so let's go down and put this on. And let's do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Ow. Let's do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So choose which one we are going to do. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Got a spider on its toe. If you're gonna let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Square Poppit. The rainbow square Poppit to show. Poppit. That sounds like pocket. Poppit and a pocket. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, let's do it. Let's do this. So it's cool. It's the rainbow. So there you go, Poppit. Okay. So you just pop it simple, like that. Yeah, like that. It's really simple. Because all you have to do is just do that. That was so simple. Okay, next one. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Got the spider on it. So if you're gonna let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'm just picking one at random. I just got 10,000 steps on my fitness, what some of you would call it, and I call it a Fitbit. Some people would call it a fitness watch. Oh, that was lucky. I'm going to stop throwing my toys around because because it could go anywhere and just damage the window or something. So yeah. What is it? It's exactly the same as this, but in a circle, and it's green. Anyway, I'm just watching it from the back. I will see you guys in 2 seconds. 1, 2. Hi! Anyway, it's just strange. I just disappeared and came back like this. That's good. Okay, so let's just pop the rest like that. Simple. Just like that. That's good. I don't know why I keep doing that. Hey, it's me. a circle. Make a circle. Make a circle. Anyway. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a spider on its toe. If you're gonna let go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Dinosaur! Anyway. So simple. It's just a tie-dye Poppit that uses dinosaurs. It's so simple. You never say that. What the heck? You never say that. I never say that. Anyway. Okay. Is that all of them? Yeah. Bye. So. Next one. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a spider on its toe. If you're gonna let it go, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. I don't even know what just happened there, but here it goes. Okay. Hurt myself. Anyway. So. It's so simple. It's much more simple. I don't know why what I meant is much more simple, but it is definitely very simple. Just a tie-dye circle. Just a tie-dye circle. What the heck? You never say that. Anyway, just a simple tie-dye circle, like that. Done. Is that good? No? Is it? I don't even know what I do when I don't even know what I mean when I go. I don't even know how I do it. Well, I actually want to do it. I don't know how to do it. Like, so I don't know how I do it. I don't know. When I just want to do it, I just do it by myself. Like, my mind just does it. Like, I don't know how I do it. Well, anyway, probably just have to start doing a new one. Anyway. Right, well, you couldn't see that. Anyway. Oh, this is the thing that you couldn't see. Okay, there we go. Why can you see that? Go, thank you. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a spider on its toe. If you're gonna let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Smiley face. Yeah. Okay, anyway. So okay, so this is very simple. You might be able to hear this, you might not. You might be able to hear this, you might not. Don't really want to hit my face, so that's why I'm doing this. Okay. I don't know if you heard that. I don't know if you didn't hear that. I'm not inside the camera, so I don't know if I'm going to hear it or not. I don't know how I'm going to hear it unless I watch the video, which I will before I post it. Okay, anyway. Okay, next one. So I'm gonna eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a spider on its toe. If you're gonna let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Oh. Okay, we got Among Us here. Okay, I'm just gonna put this simple, really simple. It's just Among Us. Like, everything that I put on my YouTube channel, I recommend to you. Literally, everything that I put on my YouTube channel is the stuff that I recommend for you to get. Like, especially for kids and, well, people around my age, I would say. Which, wait, what? Something has popped up on the camera. Oh, just battery. Okay. Yeah, I am 8. So all of the stuff that I put on my YouTube channel is because I recommend them to you, especially the children around my age, like I said. Anyway, I'm gonna do a part 2 on the rest of these that I have not done. So yeah, look out for that video. And also, I post a video on every Tuesday in the evening to Wednesday. If you're sleeping, like if you're like young kids and you're like sleeping, like around, if you go to bed around like 8 or something like that, then yeah, I post videos every Tuesday to Wednesday morning if you're like children that go to bed quite early. Okay? It's quite simple. So yeah, like I post videos around like 8 p.m. on Tuesday. So yeah, if you go to bed like at 6:30 or something like that, then yeah, you're gonna miss my videos. So you just watch it on Wednesday or whatever day's good at that. Then so technically I would be posting it on Wednesday if you go to bed early, okay? Okay, so there we go. That's it. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll stop moving. Okay? I'll stop moving. Yep, and that is it. Yeah.